Welcome to Pananaw Moments, where we reflect on the Sunday Gospels. A blessed Good Shepherd Sunday. For today's reflection, let me pose a question. Mahilig ka bang gumawa ng acts of service? Acts of service means that you demonstrate your love, care, and affection for a loved one, like proactively helping them and being thoughtful to their needs. But natanong mo na ba if yung acts of service mo is dahil takot kang makalimutan at iwan? Christ the Good Shepherd tells us that true acts of service must be beyond selfish interest. True acts of service are centered on the other's need rather than our own insecurities. We tend to forget this, and that's why nagtsatsaga tayo kahit toxic na ang relationship. But love should not be draining. It should be life-giving and saving. This Good Shepherd Sunday, I hope you can feel that love and imitate it too. Thank you for journeying with us. See you next Sunday for more Pananaw Moments.